सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक सपोर्ट चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hi, I'm Chris.
Hi, I'm Christian.
5 years ago, we ventured out to create a small wireless device to help you keep track of your items using a smartphone.
Since that time, we've worked tirelessly to perfect the technology. Today, we're proud to announce Tracker Bravo, the simplest way to track all your items.
Tracker Bravo is a coin-sized device that easily attaches to a purse, slips inside a wallet, sticks to a bike, or attaches to anything you would like to track. Using the Tracker app, you can see how far away you are from your items. And with the tap of your finger, you can ring the device and find the lost item in seconds. And it works both ways. If you can't find your phone, press the button on the device and cause your phone to ring, even on silent mode. In case something goes missing, the app notifies our Crowd GPS network to search for your lost item. If your item comes within 100 feet of one of our tens of thousands of other tracker users' phones, you will receive a GPS update of where your item was last seen. Tracker Bravo. Your search is over.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We're raising funds on Indiegogo to bring Tracker Bravo into production.
With your help, we make losing items a thing of the past.
Thanks so much for supporting Tracker Bravo.
Introducing Vobot, the world's first smart clock with Amazon Alexa, which you can set alarms, timers, check the weather, read news, listen to music, and more. Vobot is a revolutionary AI-enhanced voice interactive smart clock that helps you make the most of the day. It is very easy to set alarms with the Vobot. Just tap and say, set an alarm for 7 a.m. every day.
Alarm set for every day at 7 a.m.
To start the alarm, you could hold the screen for 3 seconds or shake to dismiss the alarm. If you don't want to get up immediately, just flip Vobot over and it will wake you up in 9 minutes. When you get up, you can check weather directly from Vobot. How is the weather today?
Currently, in Los Angeles, it's 67 degrees with cloudy skies.
When you're cooking, Vobot is also very helpful. Set a timer for 3 minutes. Easy, quick, friendly, never miss the right time. Vobot can be a music player at a party. You can access to any playlist from iHeartRadio, TuneIn, and Amazon Music. Except that, World Clock. Sleep sound. Customize alarm music. Shopping. Taxi. Smart home. More and more features have been added to Vobot. All we want is to make your life more simple.